Looking for a compact yet powerful tool to tackle your light-duty pruning tasks? Let's dive into the SKIL pruning saw and see if it's the right fit for your needs. The SKIL pruning saw boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, making it a pleasure to handle during your yard work. Its compact size and lightweight build, weighing just 2.9 pounds without the battery and 3.9 pounds with the included 2.0 amp-hour battery, ensure that even extended use won't lead to fatigue. The grooved rubber overmold on the handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for precise one-handed operation. Additionally, the tool's 17.4-inch length strikes a balance between maneuverability and reach, making it suitable for various pruning tasks. One of the standout features of this pruning saw is its powerful brushless motor, which delivers impressive performance for a tool of its size. With a chain speed of 8 meters per second, it effortlessly slices through small branches and limbs, making light work of your pruning tasks. The 6-inch bar and chain are ideal for precision cutting, and the automatic lubrication system ensures smooth operation and extends the life of the chain. Moreover, the tool-free chain tensioning system allows for quick and easy adjustments, so you can maintain optimal performance without the need for additional tools. However, it's important to note that the SKIL is designed for light-duty pruning. While it excels at trimming small branches and performing general yard maintenance, it may struggle with thicker limbs or more demanding tasks. Additionally, the 1.01-ounce oil reserve, while sufficient for short sessions, may require more frequent refilling during extended use. These considerations are worth keeping in mind to ensure the tool aligns with your specific needs. In terms of value, the SKIL offers a compelling package. Priced competitively, it includes the 2.0 amp-hour PowerCore 20 battery and a standard charger, providing up to 115 cuts per charge, which is ample for most light-duty applications. The inclusion of an easy storage bracket adds convenience for organizing your tools. Considering its performance, ease of use, and the reliability associated with the SKIL brand, this pruning saw represents excellent value for homeowners seeking an efficient solution for their pruning needs. If you're interested in learning more about the SKIL pruning saw or considering adding it to your toolkit, be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: limited to light-duty pruning tasks. Small oil reserve may require frequent refills during extended use. Pros: compact and lightweight design for easy handling. Powerful brushless motor with high chain speed. Tool-free chain tensioning for quick adjustments. Automatic lubrication system for extended chain life. Competitive pricing with included battery and charger. In conclusion, the SKIL pruning saw is a versatile and user-friendly tool perfect for light-duty pruning tasks around your yard. Its combination of power, convenience, and value makes it a worthy addition to any homeowner's toolkit. Don't forget to check the product links in the description for more details, and if you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more product insights.